What's up guys, I'm Huan. Today I'm going to show you guys how to Webster 180 off of objects. So before you guys try this, make sure you guys are warmed up first and make sure you guys do it somewhere safe. If you have a gym, like a mattress or a bed, anything that's soft before you guys try outside. I'm going to show you guys one real fast and we'll get started. Okay, so the first step is make sure you find an object, maybe not too high, not too low, somewhere where you're comfortable, maybe like your chest height, your chin height, somewhere wherever you're comfortable at, guys. After you find that, guys, you're gonna get on top of it. Now you're gonna find out which is your strong leg. So my strong leg is the right leg, so if you kick your other leg, just do everything I say except, you know, your way. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna look at the ground, you're gonna have your foot, left foot in front, right foot back, and right, and you're gonna practice kicking. So you're gonna have a good running up. You don't have to sprint wherever you're comfortable, guys. Just run up at the object. Place your left foot in front, your right foot back. Have your left hand out front, out, and your right hand behind almost. Because you're gonna get ready to throw your arms too, guys. So let's practice this. You're gonna run up to it. Plant your foot, left foot in front, right foot back. Have your hands out like this. After that, when you get that, guys, you're gonna kick back, straight back with your right leg as hard as you can, guys. You know, as hard as you can. Keep the leg straight. Kick back really hard. You're gonna then, after you kick back really hard, you're gonna lean that way. You're gonna look at the ground, you're gonna lean that way. And you're gonna throw your hands forward like this to your left. You're gonna wrap. You're gonna throw your hands like this. Your right hand over like this. You're gonna wrap. You're gonna whip. I'll show you like. You're gonna throw your hand over like this, kick back, throw your hands over at the same time. Wrap, kind of punch over your shoulder, wrap, look over to your left, shoulder, wrap. And bring both your legs, your left leg together. Because you're gonna be kicking, so let's go slowly. You're gonna run, punch your foot, have your hands up. You're gonna kick straight back, throw your hands back, throw your hands around like this to your left. Lean that way, look over your shoulder. So, because you're gonna be in the middle of the air, you should be in the middle of the air when you kick. And all you have to do is just bring your leg, your left leg together. Next to your right leg together, wrap, hold it. You should go at a 180 and you should land backwards like this. Because it's not spin, guys, you know. It's just a Webster 180. It's not that hard, you guys. So at the ground, you're just gonna run like this. You're gonna plant, kick, wrap, boom. Put your legs together. Release when you see the ground. Now it's a landing. So when you land, always on the bottom of your feet, like I said, guys. Knees slightly bent. Try to keep your chest up. Never flat-footed. I'll show you guys one last time. Hopefully that helps you guys out. Leave a comment below. I'll see you guys next time.